Importance of money. Money is an important part of our life. We use money to buy things we need, like food, clothes, and shelter. It helps us live comfortably and enjoy our life. Money is earned by working hard. People do different types of jobs to earn money. Farmers grow crops, shopkeepers sell goods, and teachers teach students. The money they earn helps them take care of their families. Although money is important, it is not everything. There are things like love, kindness, and happiness that money cannot buy. A person who has a lot of money but no friends or family may not feel happy. We should use money wisely. Saving money for the future is a good habit. It helps us during emergencies or when we need something important. Spending too much money on unnecessary things can cause problems. In conclusion, money is necessary for living, but it is not the only thing that matters. Hard work, good habits, and caring for others make life truly rich.